Hey there! In today's video we learn how to create a floating button in Adobe Illustrator. Before we carry on, these are the steps we are going to follow from shadows, highlights, and feathering, and all details you need are in here. Next, you use the shape you want and then start applying the effects with preferences I marked on the left. And that's all. Now you can make another shape and use it however you want. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tutorials. Hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.